In this review, we have a propane torch. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. Once you open the box, nice and foamy. Ooh, it looks kind of chrome, but it's like a gunmetal chromish. Very nice. Right here is your fuel flow knob. Nice grip on the handle. It's not a rubber grip, but it's like rigid. 3 integrated safety structures. Double leak proof sealing to block gas leakage. Built-in check valves to stop dangerous flashbacks. A 13-inch extended barrel that will create a safe distance. So if you are shooting at weeds, or burning up your weeds, and I know people like burning grass, burning weeds, you use this for charcoal. You might want to light up your wood, camping, something like that. All you got to do is put on your propane tank. We have some propane. Got this propane from Walmart, the regular green bottle. Gonna screw it on. All right. Test we're going to do on here is the leak test. We have soap, water, bottle, spray it. And as you can tell, no bubbles, you guys. That's tight. I'm gonna click. Should nothing come out because I'm all the way on negative. So let's see. Okay, so now we are all the way on the negative. I'm going to positive, and you can hear it. All right, so this is your adjustment right here, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm loud because this is loud. And I can let go of the trigger. All right, so there you go. Nice and easy. So if you need to burn weeds, start your fire, charcoal, and all of that stuff. And I do have my garage door open, you guys. You want to do this in open area. Carbon monoxide, all of that stuff. So definitely be safe. Also, when you're doing this, let me turn it off. Okay. Also, when you're doing this and you're taking it off, make sure you're wearing gloves and all of that stuff. And yeah, so that's it. Just wanted to show y'all that. So again, this is your regulator for your flame. You turn it all the way to the negative, and now it won't come on. You turn it to positive, and then you hear the ignition. Nothing right now. I'm turning it back down, but keep clicking though. And there you go, and then you make your adjustments as you go. All right, so that's it. I'll feature this again probably when I start up my barbecue or burgers or something. Then I'll start this back up. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.